On the search bar of your browser, typing in for TurboTax.ca, which will open up TurboTax website, and hit the sign in button at the top right of the screen. Usually, your TurboTax account that you used on the same device before will appear, and you may click on it to signing into your account, but if it's not there, and you see this page instead, you may start to insert your phone number or email that you used to create the TurboTax account before, and hit the sign in button. Over here, typing in your TurboTax password, or you may also receive the code from your phone number that you used to create the TurboTax account before. It will come in an SMS or text message, and use it as the other way, then click the continue button. And there you go, you may start to file your taxes. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.